It's so great to be here today with my good friend, Morgan Hill, CEO and owner of Hill & Hill Financial. Thank you so much for coming on, Morgan. Good to see you.
Yeah, always good to see you, Andy.
Thanks. So as we look into 2024, how can folks effectively manage risk and volatility in today's environment?
Really good question. One of the things that I think is really important is that we maybe have a little bit more detailed view of risk. Sometimes we just say, I have a portfolio with this kind of investment that balances out this kind of investment, and no matter what, it will go up and down. Well, the key is as you mentioned, volatility. There are lots of things out there that don't have what's considered volatility risk. And so what I would suggest to the folks is have a little deeper conversation about not just risk. What kind of risk? Is it that the market could drop? Could my investment go up and down? How long do I have it? Duration risk, liquidity. Can I get my hands on it? So we've just been, as we explore with our folks, we go a little bit more detailed as to what kind of risk, what are your goals and objectives? Do you need money for income? Do you need money for future growth based on your age? So I say to round it out, look deeper and more detailed at this conversation about risk and look at the different types of investments and what kinds of risk they have. Again, volatility, liquidity, those kinds of things, because we're in some interesting times with interest rates and whatnot. And I think overall the trajectory has been positive, but it's kind of a bumpy ride. And so I think that we have that more detailed look will really serve the folks well.
I love your optimism. So speaking of conversations, how can we get in contact with you and get this started?
Always a privilege to talk with folks. 800-887-9647 is our one main number. We have offices in Chattanooga, Knoxville, and also in the greater Atlanta area.
Thank you, Morgan. Morgan Hill with Hill & Hill Financial. Thank you so much again for coming on.
Always a pleasure. Thanks, Andy.